This is Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can enter and use the camera Pro mode on this device. So first step is to obviously launch the camera app itself, and then scroll the list of available mods that you have over here to your right, until you will enter the final mode that is by default located over here, and well, is Pro. If you do not have the Pro mode at the list of, modes, just enter the More section and it will be here for sure. So once in the Pro mode, you can manually change the values for such camera parameters as the white balance, the focus, distance, the shutter speed, ISO, exposure, and switch the lens from wide to ultra wide and vice versa. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video guys. Thanks for watching and bye bye.